Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are safe and fine at home. Due to this COVID-19, in this pandemic situation, it is not possible to us to come to school. And so that we brought for you online education. Today, we are going to see our EVS Part 2 subject, that is Environmental Studies 2. It's called History. So we are going to see EVS 2, lesson number 1, that is Maharashtra before Shivaji. It means we know Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. So before this, what was the situation in Maharashtra that we are going to see in this lesson? How the people were staying in stressful environment, that we are going to see here. So we are going to start this lesson with lesson number 1, Maharashtra before Shivaji. Now we all know Shivaji Maharaj fought for Swaraj, and due to this reason today we got freedom, and so today it is possible to us that we are staying in Maharashtra safely. So let's see, before Shivaji Maharaj, what was the condition in Maharashtra? Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. It is a happy day for you children. You sings songs and povadas in his honor. You sing songs and povadas in his honor. You garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Who was the Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did? That we celebrate his birthday every year. Now, from this, whenever Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti is there, what we are doing? We are portraying his picture. We are drawing his picture. We are bringing garlands and we are keeping garlands to him. Just we are singing some songs and povadas when his birthday is there, and many more things we are doing in honor of Shivaji Maharaj. But really, Shivaji Maharaj did great work for Maharashtra, and for this purpose we are here to see what Shivaji Maharaj did for Maharashtra, and before Shivaji Maharaj, what thing was there, how was our Maharashtra, that we are going to see in second paragraph. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of medieval period. When Shivaji Maharaj was staying in that timing, we can call it as a medieval period. In those days, a monarchy or the rule of kings prevailed everywhere, and many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of welfare of their subjects. But even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. Now, if you will see, we will come to know, before Shivaji Maharaj, that time was called as a medieval period. So in that period, any proper, means Shivaji Maharaj was not there in that timing. And in that timing, every people were staying in stressful environment. Everyone was taking their own tensions. And in that situation, no one was there helpful to them. But though they were staying in that stressful environment, though they were very much, means other kings were doing their own pleasures, they were enjoying all the things, but no one was there that king was taking the care of other peoples. And in that situation, meanings of that? Just see. Instead of the welfare of their subjects, but even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. And the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and the Emperor Krishnadevaya of Vijayanagar in the south are famous in history for their benevolent rule. And likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. And with that, when people were continuously suffering lots of things, every king was enjoying their own life, no one was taking care or no one was looking welfare of their subjects. In this situation, there were two kings, which one was staying in north, his name was Mughal Emperor Akbar, and second was staying his kingdom in south, his name was Emperor Krishnadevaya of Vijayanagar. These two famous kings were there in that time, and these two kings were looking for the people's welfare. And now in that period, these two king or emperor, we can see one was Mughal Emperor Akbar and second was Emperor Krishnadevaya of Vijayanagar. These two emperors were they were looking for the people's goodness or welfare of his subjects. But still, anyone can't forget the work of Shivaji Maharaj. And so that everyone was giving, today also everyone is giving great respect to Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra, and Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves, and they were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. Now see, here what Shivaji Maharaj did, Shivaji Maharaj established his own Swaraj in Maharashtra. And due to that Swaraj, we are safe today. Swaraj means what? Swaraj means self-government. Means our own rules. Now, for about, if we will observe, 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. It was under Mughals, under British. That time, Maharashtra people was not got freedom. That time, that whole large portion, it was divided into two parts. And on one part, two sultans were taking care of that two parts, vast portion. That one is Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and second sultan was Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two persons, these two sultans, they were divided this Maharashtra in two parts. That one was Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and second was Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now, these two sultans had divided, but still they were not looking towards the oppressed people. Those who were very stressful, those who were very sad, they were neglecting this type of peoples. And Maharashtra was divided in two parts, so each part people was hating one another. And so that they constantly fought against each other with the result that the people suffered and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festival or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure that safety even they were in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. Now see, though these two sultans were there working, they divided whole Maharashtra in two parts. One was Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and second was Adil Shah of Bijapur. Still, people burdening, or they were suffering too much sadness. They were not getting proper food to eat. Though they were staying in their own homes, they were not surety about their safety. Whole everything, they were not able to celebrate their festivals. Everywhere there was injustice. They were not getting justice. And in this situation, see, in Maharashtra there were many Vatandas like Deshmukhs and Deshpande who won Jagir. Still, in that Maharashtra there were many Vatandas. Now, those who were getting Vatans, it was called as a Vatanda. And their names they have given, that was Deshmukhs and Deshpandes, who owned their Jagirs. They loved only their Jagir and not their country. And now suppose Deshpande and Deshmukh. If suppose Deshpande win this area, so they will love to this area. Deshmukh own this area, so they will love their own area. But they were not thinking for the country or whole Maharashtra. They were thinking for only their particular area. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people, and there were misery everywhere. People were tired of these oppressions and were very unhappy. Now see, both divided parts, every time they were starting fighting with each other. They were continuously fighting was going on in between two parts of Maharashtra. And due to this reason, the people were not satisfied. Continuously, one was doing harassment of others, and this other one was doing harassment with first one divided part. And due to this reason, people got very miserable. They got tired from the situations, and they become very unhappy due to this situation. And Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. When Shivaji Maharaj saw all these sufferings in the life of the peoples, he decided that he undertook the noble task. Which noble task? That he will establish Swaraj in Maharashtra. He will not give any rights to any rulers to divide Maharashtra. And for that purpose, he first brought to book the Vatandas who fought among themselves. He then used them in the plan of establishing Swaraj. And to stop this all things, all the fightings, all dividation, he collected all Vatandas together. And he utilized this Vatanda to establish Swaraj in Maharashtra. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. And he established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice. Then after collecting Vatanda, he fought against all the powers which were against of them. And he fought against those who were giving suffering to the poor people, those who were oppressing to the real people, rural people, and he got defeated to them. And he established Hindavi Swaraj in Maharashtra. And that Hindavi Swaraj was based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinctions between Hindu and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religions. He drew inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. Now see, Shivaji Maharaj, what he did? He established his Hindavi Swaraj, and the Hindavi Swaraj was based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment. No one was big, no one was small, no one was poor, and no one was rich. Means he given equal treatment to all. He was equally treating to all the common people. Hindu and Muslim. He was not thinking that Hindus are different, Muslims are different. He was thinking all Hindu and Muslims are equal. He honored all the saints of all religions. All religions, those who were working as the saints or those who were sages. He honored all the saints of all religions. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. And Shivaji Maharaj did this great work, and because of that we are drawing this all inspirations with the work of Shivaji Maharaj. During a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Now before 400 years ago, before Shivaji Maharaj, in that 300 to 400 years, there were many saints who born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj to make successful effort to establishing Swaraj. And we shall see in the next chapter what these saints did. Now, before Shivaji Maharaj, in that 300 to 400 years period, there were many saints and who really did good work, and they made help to Shivaji Maharaj to establish Hindavi Swaraj. And due to this reason, now in second chapter we are going to see the work of saint and what exactly saints did, that we are going to see in lesson number 2. So we are seeing before Shivaji Maharaj what was the condition of Maharashtra, how the peoples were suffering, how they were, though they were not getting a proper food to eat, how they were not celebrating any festivals in their own houses, though they were staying in their own houses, still how they were not safe at their home. But when Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj, he given equal justice to all the peoples. Even he made equalness in Hindu and Muslim. He honored the different religious saints. He did great work for all the peoples. So we have seen in this lesson number 1, chapter number 1, Maharashtra before Shivaji. And in lesson number 2, we are going to see the proper work of the saints which worked in that timing before Shivaji Maharaj, in 300 to 400 years, in that timing what work saints did. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.